Are you frustrated with Photoshop's 3D features being grayed out and suspect it's an OpenGL issue? Let's get it working. First, open Photoshop and let's confirm the problem. See how the 3D options in the menu are disabled, a common sign of OpenGL trouble. Next, go to Edit, then Preferences, and select Performance here. Find Use Graphics Processor often. It is unchecked will fix this and more if it is checked. There could be settings that aren't configured correctly. If toggling the Use Graphics Processor fixes it, great. If not, look for the Advanced Settings button or an error message. Let's delve deeper. Click on Advanced Settings. You might see a drawing mode option. Try switching draw modes, starting with basic and then working your way up. Test the 3D functionality after each change. See if your 3D features are active. It may take some trial and error here. If you are still seeing an error message at startup, like the one that it says, your system may not support all features of OpenGL. It may still be a graphics card or driver issue. Updating your graphics driver is also critical. To update your graphics driver, search for Device Manager on your computer and open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows find and install the latest updates after installing. Restart Photoshop. With luck, your OpenGL issues should be resolved, and your 3D features are back. Congratulations, you fixed your Photoshop 3D.